Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. In today's video, we're going to do a little friendly holiday competition. Stay tuned. So for today's video, I have two guests with me, my son and my nephew. So we're doing a gingerbread house competition. I have the Twizzler house. Show your houses. Right? Let the best gingerbread house maker win. Stay tuned. so the gingerbread house competition is now over. When I tell you it was a ton of fun, and those things are not easy to make. But make sure that you vote for the best gingerbread house in the comment section below, and we're gonna show you the finished products.
I always want to bring this one.
Just go. Come on. Bring it up to the camera. All right, so we have Vincent's, mine, and Talon's. Turn to the side so they can see your design.
Vote for this one.
Vote for me.
This one.
Vote
It's
for
the
me.
best.
Vote for me.
Come on now.
Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.